Hi, what's up? I'm Vasily, the founder of Everything Punta Cana and Complete Hospitality Management. Today we are going to talk about kite surfing. You know guys, I recently started and it was hell. Make sure that you are selecting good instructor, good teacher. You can focus on learning, so it goes with the flow with your teacher. So you're gonna negotiate the price, you negotiate the amount of lessons, then you just focus and do whatever it takes to go with classes, learn how. Point number one, safety. Please guys, pay attention to all those kind of stuff, how you should manage it, test it, play with it, use your arms, be sure that when you are going to do actual practice, you know them, you know everything what's connected to safety, because that can save your life. Thing number two, the slower you go, the better you get. Let's say you started to dominate kite. So make sure you take specific steps and you practice. And this is the point number three. Dominate the kite on the land. What it means, that you need to be able to go with the kite really quickly. First of all, slow and then quickly. Let's say 11 o'clock, then 12 o'clock, 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Go back. Go back and forth with the kites. Otherwise, you're gonna be fighting sun, waves, board, and everything else. So focus on dominating the kite. Point number four, go and move yourself with the kite in the water already. Learn from your teacher how to move here, how to move there, how to go back. So you will need all this to pick up your board to move to different directions. Point number five, dominate the board itself. It really helps you save a lot of time just practicing the wakeboard before going to kite surfing.
Guys, this is fucking awesome. Strongly recommend.
So you really understand every single movement and remember everything by heart. Point number six, separate every single step. This way you are going to be really successful. Point number seven, make sure that you are calm, focused and concentrated. If you're gonna be nervous, it's not gonna help you, it's just gonna distract you. You are not going to be able to do the best action you can. So focus and be calm. If you are nervous, do some push-ups, sit-ups, then go back to practice. It takes a while to practice kite surfing. It takes from 7 to 2 weeks probably. Make sure that you dedicated the time, and believe me, it's absolutely worth it. I hope to see you in person and I hope to see you kiting. See you guys.